Hi everyone, I am Nayoka Kelly Campbell of Kelly Fiscal LLC, and I want to welcome you back to another segment of our financial tips and tools. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified each time we upload our weekly financial videos every Sunday at 10:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Also, just a reminder that this is the final week for a chance to win a free financial coaching or bookkeeping session. So please watch this video to the end for instructions on how to win a free session. So Black Friday is just around the corner. Actually, it is this week. And I know you must be thrilled knowing that you can now spend and spend, especially with all these amazing discounts and great deals. Now, don't get me wrong, nothing is wrong with spending, but are you spending wisely, or are you more conscious with how you spend each year on Black Friday? Now, that's a question that you have to ask yourself and really dig deep, dig deep in trying to understand, do I really need to be spending this much when it comes to Black Friday, or am I just caught up in this excitement? Also, are these really great deals, or are these stores making us think that we're getting a good deal? Well, let's talk about some ways on how to shop smarter during Black Friday. So, no deal is ever a great deal until you have done your research in comparing the prices between several stores. Now, I know shopping around might become tiring and a lot to handle, especially if you're walking from store to store. So it's always good to check out their online stores and even sign up for their online or mail catalog, where you will have the pleasure in comparing the prices at the comfort of your home before heading directly to the store. But also be mindful that some of these stores sometimes offer better deals online than in their actual store. So please make sure that you compare the store's online prices versus their physical store prices. Now, I ask a question. Are you really getting a good deal, or are the stores making us think that we are? Well, this is where research comes into play. You have to be a smart shopper and do your research well before Black Friday. Know the product that you are planning to buy. Know what's the normal cost of the product when there are no sales, discounts, or major holiday deals. This will allow you to know if the price that the store is selling the product for is within the normal price range as any other time, or are you really getting a major discount on Black Friday? So do your research. Now, with that said, another smart shopping technique is to look for early bird shopper discounts. Some stores have better deals on the day of Thanksgiving, the day before Black Friday. So check out your stores to see if they're offering these discounts. And you should also plan where you want to shop. After you have done your research and compared prices, make a list of all the stores that you plan to shop at. Also, strategize as to where you plan to shop first and whether you plan to shop early or later in the evening. Again, these decisions will come from your research you have already done. Also, make sure to bring the catalog ads with you and know the store policies in regards to returns. And always ask for gift receipts if the item you're purchasing is a gift for someone else. Now, these are just a few ways to shop smarter during Black Friday. But I must urge my valued subscribers, if your purchase is not something that is really needed and you're just buying based on the excitement and the hype, stop. Reassess your mind and forget about making that purchase. Believe me, it's not worth your financial peace of mind. I hope you will take these into consideration, when it comes to Black Friday excitement or just shopping in general. If there is something that you need me to discuss, please leave a comment or reach out to us at nayoka@kellyfiscal.com or 347-201-2228. We're always here to help you maintain your financial health. Now, as I mentioned, this is the final week. So here are the instructions on how to win a free financial coaching or bookkeeping session. Step 1. You must be a subscriber for our YouTube channel, Kelly Fiscal. Step 2. Head over to our Instagram business page, kellyfiscal.llc. You must follow us. You will also see a snippet of this video in our post. You must like and share it on your Instagram story. And also remember to tag 6 small businesses. Finally, take a screenshot of everything that you have done and email it to us at nayoka@kellyfiscal.com with subject heading Black Friday Kelly Fiscal, along with your name, number, and business name if you are a small business. We will announce our winners on Sunday, November 29 on our YouTube segment and also on our Instagram business page. Join us next week as we discuss credit card utilization. I want to thank you guys for joining me in another segment of our financial tips and tools. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you guys for watching.